Mike, I updated my panel to Windows 11, but the graphics doesn't look quite right. Well, there's a couple things you can do when you sign in, and I know as I've been training you guys, I said just hold off on signing in at first because you've got to let the ClearTouch panel do its thing, install the drivers in the background. But we did push out the Intel driver and support assistant. And what you do with that is you're logged in as an elevated account, and then you can use that to check for any graphics updates for Intel. And the graphics also helps the audio as well. And so you can run that, and then you can also check and make sure, okay, we're up to date with all the security updates and things like that from Windows. That's a good idea, just to check that and make sure that those are up to date as well. Let's see, I'm going to close that out. And if I look at the update history, this panel had already started updating even before I signed in. So I look at update history, and it did some driver updates and definition updates. It ran in the background. And a lot of these were, it pulls it for the machine specifically, which is good. This Intel driver assistant, it says I've got 3 updates. And so I can go ahead and download all of those and run those updates as well. And see, it grabs it specifically for my Intel wireless driver, the Bluetooth, and the graphics. That's the big one right there, the Intel 6th Gen processor graphics driver. Once those download, just simply hit install, and that will help to clear things up on the panel if it doesn't look quite right. Now again, a majority of them, they'll update automatically in the background, not a whole lot you need to do, but then you'll get a few stragglers. And then this is just what you want to do to go in and kick off some updates and then do some restarts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.